Welcome to another video. If you're new in this place, my name is Marcelina. Why don't you just go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. In today's video, the goal is to share a hair care routine, a daily hair care routine for maintaining your natural hair. You can make it, especially whenever your hair is not in a protective hairstyle. Yeah, this is a simple thing that you can do. I've just woken up. It's a beautiful morning. I finished to shower and now I want to fix my hair. First things first, if your hair is open like this, you've unplaited it and it's open, it's not in a protective hairstyle, it is good if you slept when they're a bit tied up. So you just make this big knots here like the ones I've made, and then you put on your hair bonnet and go to sleep. I do not advise sleeping when your hair is open because it will disturb, it will tangle, and you not like it the following day. So how I maintain my hair, this is just water. So we are going to sprinkle some water on the hair before we can comb it or style it. Just want to get it damp a little bit. Yeah, I do not advise you to touch your natural hair when it is dry because definitely you're going to break it. So it's better to work on it when it is a bit damp. So we finished to make our hair damp. We shall go ahead and open it up and unravel this knot. You can see. So when you unravel, it's easy for your fingers even to go through your hair. So this is it. Let's unravel this one as well. Yeah, so this is our hair. Guys, this hair has grown over time and it is thick. I love the way this hair is nowadays. It has got volume and it's thick enough. Let's check and see how far our hair has grown. So roughly on the lower lip, that's where it has reached. You can see. So the growth is real. It has increased and I appreciate. So guys, in front of me here I have 4 of my favorite DIY oils that I always make and I use them. This one is carrot oil. This is carrot oil. And this one here is onion oil. This is avocado oil and this is my shea butter mix. This is shea butter. It has melted. It's the one that I normally use as my sealant. And then my onion oil, I always use it on my hairline at the edges here to stimulate growth because apparently I got postpartum shading, but now I see the hair has grown back. It has grown back. So this is what I use it for. And then these two, my carrot oil and my avocado oil, I alternate them when I use them. Some days I use carrot oil and some days I use avocado oil. So for today I'll be using my avocado oil on the scalp. If you don't know how to make avocado oil, I've done a simple video. There are very, very simple steps that you can follow and make your avocado oil. Okay, let me add in some water. Some more water, some more water. And then whenever you spray water, it's also good to spray your scalp. Don't leave your scalp dry. Spray the scalp as well and then massage in the water. Okay. All right. So one good habit that you should learn when taking care of your natural hair is to massage your scalp. Massaging the scalp stimulates blood supply into the scalp, and this one facilitates hair growth as it stimulates the hair follicles to grow. So it's a very good habit to do. So this is our hair now. Hair is amazing. You can grow your hair. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why can't you grow your hair? Why not? You can actually grow your hair to any length. So let's add in a little bit of the avocado oil. Some more. Okay. So now here we have this one is our shea butter, natural shea butter, natural. When I say natural, I mean natural. So this is my natural shea butter. It has that natural smell of shea butter because there's nothing else added. If you've ever used natural shea butter, you know how that natural smell is. So when you're applying the shea butter, we are applying it on the hair strands, not on the scalp. Let it go on your hair strands because it's going to moisturize. And just look at that. Look at this kinky hair. So at this point, I can decide the hairstyle to 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 do on my hair, either to tie it, either to leave it open. So this hair, once it has tangled, use your fingers just to detangle the hair. Okay. So usually what I do with my hair, if I'm to puff it behind or in front, I just go on holding it portion by portion. As I tangle, I stretch it behind and then I hold it like this. Then I get a portion, I stretch it behind and I hold it. I don't use a comb to. Then I get a portion like here I stretch it behind, I hold it, then I get another portion like this one. I stretch it behind, I hold it in portions. Because what I don't want is to overstretch my hair and then it breaks. So I keep getting it in portions like this, hold it, and I take it to the other hand, then get another portion, just like that. And when I hold it, you can see it's relaxed. It is not hard. The same thing here. Same thing here. The same thing here. And the same thing here. This is a simple, yeah, if you untie your hair back, just like that. It is caught, and I can tie it as a puff behind, or I just grab it and I plait it. Do you see what I've done? Let me try to show you behind and you see.